Hey guys, welcome back to my series where I solve all the LeetCode problems starting from the easiest to the hardest. And now we're moving on to problem number 69, which curiously is the the name of one of my favorite rap artists, Takashi 69. So 69 square root of x. Oh, 69. Now I create a solution.py and assert solution my square root of whatever. What's the argument? 4 equals 2. Is 2 and square root of 8 equals 2 as well. So let's just read this. Give a non-negative integer x, return the square root of x rounded down to the nearest integer. The return integer should be non-negative as well. You must not use any built-in exponent, function, or operator. So we don't use to the power of or this. So yeah, we can't really square root stuff. So what they're saying is, yeah, we could do something like in Python, the square root is x to the power of 0.5, and then we would just round. Actually, not round, but I think it's bottom or floor. Oh, I think from math import floor. So this would just give us like the rounded down thing. But if we do round, I don't know. I would import math. But since we can't do this, what we can do is, well, let's just try to see what number to the power of itself would is immediately superior to x. So for a in range from 1 to, well, infinity, I would say. So let's start with current number equals 1 while true. And then we can just go like if current number to the power of itself, no, not to the power of itself, of course, to the power of 2. Current number to the power of 2 is bigger or is bigger than x, return current number minus 1. See if this works. Well, of course not. This will run forever because I'm not increasing this. So let's see. Yeah, okay, it works. But this is not fast as fast as you would want it to be, because it just iterates from 1 all the way up to, I don't know, a lot. And yeah, this is the problem, is that it takes too long. So what would it be? How can we avoid some things? Well, let me think. So let's say we want to do my square root of 400, which I don't know what the result is. 20. So what do we know? We know that 1 is too little. Okay, what we can do is, let's see, let's do something like if the number, okay, power results. So if the this to the power of 2, and so I'm just like skipping some ahead. This to the power of 2 is bigger than x is smaller than x, then I think we can go for current number is power result. See if this works. This could some time, and we might have a trade-off. Yeah, okay. Uh, okay, this. Oh, maybe if we just do this. No, this is not true. It takes so long. One, two, three, four. Yeah, but this operation was done many times. Maybe it's not worth it. Yeah, else print boo. Yeah, did a million boos. It's not worth it. So maybe what we could do is something like, well, we could skip current number plus equals 10. And then if it gets too high, then we just start rolling back. Something like that. Well, we could have like a heuristic of the way we just go around it. But well, hope you liked it.